Hello? This sounds nice. You won't believe what's hiding in the Amazon. Deep in the jungle, animals live wild and free. From jaguars to toucans, this is their world. Sit back, relax. Let nature amaze you. This is the anaconda, a giant snake that lives in the Amazon. It loves the water, swims more than it slithers. Big, strong, and super quiet. You might not see it until it's too late. Look at this tiny monkey. It's called a pygmy marmoset. It lives deep in the Amazon rainforest. Meet the Amazonian milk frog. It lives high in the trees of Peru and Ecuador. Its skin looks smooth and shiny, almost like plastic, but don't touch it. This little frog has poison. Small but tough. That's how it survives. This is the scarlet macaw. Some people call it the red and yellow macaw. Look at those colors, bright and beautiful. It lives high up in the Amazon trees, loud, smart, and full of personality. This is the capybara. It's the biggest rodent in the world, kind of like a giant guinea pig. It lives near rivers in the Amazon, calm, friendly, and loves to chill. Look at this beauty. It's the black jaguar, a big cat that lives deep in the Amazon. Strong, fast, and super quiet. It's the only wild cat like this in the Americas, a true jungle shadow. These are red howler monkeys. There are 5 different kinds. They live high up in the Amazon trees. You'll hear them before you see them. Their howl can shake the whole jungle. This is the East Amazonian long-nosed armadillo. It lives in the deep jungles of the Amazon. Small body, long nose, and tough armor. It digs, hides, and moves quietly through the forest. A little tank in the jungle. This is the Amazon broad-headed wood lizard, a small iguana that hides in leaves and trees. Quick, quiet, and built for the jungle. This is the whistling heron, a medium-sized bird from South America. It walks more than it flies, graceful, quiet, and always watching. Capuchin monkeys live high in the trees, smart, quick, and always curious, small but clever. The pink dolphin lives in the Amazon River. Soft color, smart mind, and full of mystery. The black-faced ibis walks through the wetlands. Sharp eyes, long legs, always searching. Amazon butterflies with bright wings, small, light, and full of color. This is the blue jay, bright feathers, loud voice, and full of attitude. It's not from the Amazon, but from North America. Still, it's one of the most clever birds around. The coati lives in the Amazon. Long nose, quick feet, always exploring. This is ARATINGA MITRATA, a large parakeet. It looks like an Amazon parrot, but with a pointed tail. Colorful, noisy, and full of life. The toucan lives in the Amazon. Big beak, bright colors, hard to miss. The Amazon black howler lives high in the trees. Loud voice, quiet steps, hard to miss. This is the crested CARACARA, a bold bird of prey from the falcon family. Sharp eyes, strong beak, and fast wings. It rules the skies over the jungle. The king vulture lives in South America. Big, bold, with sharp eyes and bright colors. Nature's jungle cleaner. The jaguar lives in the Amazon. Big, strong, and silent. This is the white-lipped peccary. It looks like a wild pig, but isn't one. It lives in groups and roams the Amazon forest. Fast, tough, and always moving together. The happer lives in the Amazon. Big, calm, and loves the water. The spectacled owl, or murukututu, lives in the Amazon. Big, quiet, and watches the night. This is the toucan, the biggest toucan of them all. Black body, white throat, and a giant orange beak. Bright, bold, and hard to miss in the jungle. The margay is a small wild cat. It lives in trees and moves like a shadow. Fast, quiet, and hard to spot. This is the boa constrictor, a big, heavy snake from the Amazon. It's not venomous, but it's strong. It squeezes its prey, slow and silent. This is the harpy eagle, one of the biggest eagles in the world. It lives high in the Amazon trees. Strong claws, sharp eyes, and powerful wings. This is the yakari caiman, a small crocodile from the Amazon. It hides in the water and waits. Fast, quiet, and built to snap. This is the dwarf caiman, one of the smallest crocodiles in South America. It lives in rivers and swamps of the Amazon. Tough skin, sharp teeth, and quick moves. The green anaconda lives in the Amazon. Huge, heavy, and deadly quiet. The eyelash viper lives in the Amazon. Small, colorful, and very dangerous. Tamarins are tiny monkeys in the Amazon. Quick, playful, and full of life. This is the emperor tamarin, a tiny monkey with a big white mustache. It lives in the Amazon trees. Fast, curious, and always on the move. The red ant lives in the Amazon. Small, fast, and always busy. The KEEL-BILLED toucan lives in the jungle. Big beak, bright colors, easy to spot.